Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold a fan. I folded this one using a sheet of A4 paper, which is just your standard printer paper, and that's what I'll be using in this video. But it can be folded using most kinds of rectangles or even a square. I folded this one using a 6-inch sheet of kami, which is just the standard sheet that comes in your normal origami paper pack. But like I said, I'll be using a standard sheet of printer paper for this video. And we're going to start by valley folding in half. So we're going to bring this right edge over to lie along the left edge. Just make sure that lines up corner to corner and then crease it down. And then unfold. Next, we're going to bring this right edge in to lie along that center crease we just made. Just make sure it lines up all the way, and then crease it across. Next, we'll bring this left edge in to lie along that same center crease. And crease that down. And then unfold. Next, we're going to bring this right edge in to lie along this vertical crease on the left that we just made. Just make sure that lines up top to bottom and then crease it. And then unfold. Now we're going to bring that same right edge in to lie along the crease closest to it. Crease that, and then unfold. Now we'll repeat those steps on the left side. So we'll bring this edge in to lie along this vertical crease, which will be the second from the right now. Crease that down, then unfold. Now we'll bring that edge in to lie along that first crease. And then unfold. Now we're going to turn the whole paper over right to left. Now we're going to pleat all the way across, so we're going to take this right edge and bring it to this first crease. Next, we're going to take that crease that we just folded to, turn it into a mountain fold, and then we're going to bring that new edge into this first crease. Just like that. We're going to do that again. So we'll form that mountain fold that's underneath. And then bring that edge to this first crease. Then we're going to repeat that all the way to the end. So mountain fold, bring it to the crease, mountain fold, and then crease. And again. Again. Then this last one's usually easier if you pick the whole thing up and turn it over, and then form that crease, and then bring the edge over. Next, we're going to unfold that last crease we just made. Then we're going to valley fold in half. So we're going to bring this bottom up to the top. Just line those edges up there. And when the paper's thick like this, it can kind of make it a little weird to do. But just fold it the best you can. Try to crease it firmly. Next, we're going to take these two layers and we'll just treat them as one layer. We're going to come down to the bottom here and we're going to bring this little edge and to lie along these edges here. So I'll show you what I mean. Just like that. We're going to do the same thing up here. Bring this edge in to lie along those edges. And now to lock everything in place, we're going to need to open up the layer that's closest to those folds we just made. We're going to start at the bottom. We're going to pinch that together so those folds stay in place, and then we're going to valley fold both layers along this crease we already have. Now at the bottom here, you're going to have to kind of roll it and tuck it inside. Just make sure it goes right before the layer next to it. Tuck it right in there and try to crease it firmly. And now that we have that, you can press everything together again. Now you could be all done here. It looks pretty cool like this. I like to fold it so it has a little handle. So to do that, you just pinch at the bottom and then you can just open it up. To make it stay like that the best, how I do it is I'll take about half of the sheets into one hand. Just if you look and see where about half is, just kind of pinch them together and then fold them all the way down and actually squeeze it like that. Then you can let it go and take the other half and bring it down to the other side. Try to fold it down in the same spot that you folded the other side. Then you can let that go. And now those should form along that line more naturally when you open it. So just open it out. Try to make it all even. And then you can just hold it on the handle. And it should look like this. And then we're all done. Now if you liked this video, make sure to subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.